This money gather will not come for fight, will not come for war. We come in peace. Wetin make us come, e no pass say this year one will not save again. We go dey go farm, we no dey fit go again. We dey fear make dem no go kill us because of say Fulani.
Edo, make una wake up. Una no come for any peace. Fulani no come for peace for you. Fulani come for war. Una too come for war. No talk say una no get gun, una no get ammunition. God boys where they use gun, go a local gun, they kill themselves. Make una come out now. Because the real war don't start. Not be those countries you want and they kill themselves. Now the real war starts. I sent message before. Buhari don't arrange to kill every Satanist. Even if you are a Muslim, you don't support their mission to take over Nigeria, you are dead. For all Satanists, all Christians, they're already marked there for death. All this 101 million, 2023, they are going to eliminate everybody in Nigeria, leaving only Fulani alive. So, it does start. I sent one video through YouTube all over the globe. I know somebody will share that video. And I will be sending another one. Another one go down for Bini. Buhari we did there. So now killer Buhari. Buhari no send you, no send anybody. Don't make una wake up. Me na go Obaseki this thing. Go block Obaseki gate. People when they elect for Senate. Me na go block their house. People when they elect for House of Assembly. Make una go block their house. National House of Representatives. Make una go block their house. If they don't come and send security, make them feature the Fulani come over bush. I don't tell you now, all those ones when they sell carrots, watermelon, when they drive Toyota Yaris cap, all of them are Fulani agent, they don't train them for ground. By the time they blow whistle, all of you are dead. Those ones when they pick pangolo, they go for your street, they pick iron. They are all Fulani agent, they don't send, they go all the whole state. Till now, they still send many of them, they go different states. Like Ogun State or that, or your they cash on that day. Or Free State, they cash on where they use 72 bag. 72 bag. Now they cash where they use truck, they carry with other load of Fulanis. They are transporting them, then they buy this now. 2023, everybody's going to be massacred. 2023, they are going to off the network. Isan Patami, 31st of May, 2021, go to cable news. Isan Patami, he said he just set the internet network for some state. By 2022, he go dead in 36 states. He call them emergency network. Not be any emergency. Once they off the general network for Nigeria, now that emergency network, then they say how they communicate how far they don't work out for each state. They are going to kill every Satanist. The revelation has been revealed. No, so they're not ready for war, they're not come for war. When are ready for, when I wake up for war. Now war ready. Anywhere Fulani day, chase them out of your state, your community, alive or dead. Simple. If you don't like, you don't hear. Make una dey sleep, you don't come for war. Wait, they don't, two people don't go because they never shoot you for hand. Maybe say that one leg you take the work, I say never ready for war. If you don't like, we could not hear.
Fulani esme bush. Apart from that, our people go from here go Benin, we'll still work small money from the small things we will get for bush. They want to go and buy things for city, no good chop. Getting to the road, halfway, Fulani esme, they go invade our women, our men enter bush. From there now, they go to rape some, they go to kiss some, they go to other money. Say make some company. We don't get some victims, so they pay 300,000. Some pay 500,000. We they pay 1 million where we they see on inside farm. Before a farmer get 1 million, you know how it be.
Okay, where can you farm?
So right now, when it make us come block this road, they say, now even yesterday when it happened, some men from Ishan, they go Benin, they go buy provisions. They shoot the man for hand, they kill him at the spot. Apart from that, some white men they come. Then they go on one side. From there, they kidnap the white man, shoot some policemen on their hands, and major other things happen on the spot. Apart from that, what would they hear now? We near those Fulani herdsmen, they're there this highway. That they shoot gun front and back. We now will not get ammunition. We don't know anything where they call and gun. So what do we want? Make the government come rescue us. We don't need problem, oh. We know we'll fight. But what do we want? This is our mouth. No, it's to save ourselves. I beg the governor of Edo State, Governor Baseki, and other Ebo maybe say that they sit. Maybe they can't help us. We get graduate for this village. Don't be say with a thief, with a farm. With our own CV, with our own curriculum fighters we get. We know they fight, we know they war. But right now, our head now continue to hide again. Abi, we don't get mad to see talk. May they come rescue us, I beg. We dey beg.
My brother, you don't need any, you don't need talk. Una mouth not go solve this one. This one be talk. Now talk na the talks. All of una they sleep for a do. No, not this na Eastern that they deal with. Not this na Eastern and the Igbo people that they deal with, not concern una. This one now where they kill one, I just said that they warm up, that they do testing. The next one they go do, you yesterday they enter one village, everybody, they want to reduce the population before 2023, where they want to carry out the main massacre. All those useless Tinubu, useless politicians, they select people who want to election for 2023 because they be war. Una politician, they don't blind all of them finish. Obaseki can't save una. If una no go block Obaseki gate. House of Assembly, they want to build that day. They fight with Ojobole and everything. Obaseki na Buhari boy. Obaseki na Buhari boy. If una no go shake Obaseki. Now una know. Make una go shake Obaseki. Make sure say no they enter that government house. And again, may not listen to any police or soldier to come guide you now. All the police and soldiers, they work for them. And on the 2023, they are going to also point see all the police, all the soldier, all the immigration, who is from the Sultanate. They don't arrange them. When that time reach, they will point see all of them. So the police, the soldiers who are in the military, police, navy, name them. They are not even safe. Air Force. So long you are a Sultanate, you are a Christian, you are not safe. When I say Sultanate, whether Igbo, Yoruba, Edo, Ichekiri, whatever, Ijo, Calabar, Sultanate. Now that they call them Southwest, Southeast, they are not safe. The people that they keep for Hausa side, and people who don't support their mission, that they keep for the Hausa side. This is Fulani to wipe up Nigeria and take over Nigeria. If you don't like me, now wake up. The network where they want to use, Issa Patami, the terrorist minister, he just set network follow everywhere now. A day will just reach, they will off the whole network. People where they Europe can't reach you, people where they Nigeria cannot reach you. You are gone. You are gone. Make una share this message around. Every state need to wake up. Those ones they give sign for the data, they give them warning. Send letter, give them. They get lock. Every state need to wake up. Every local government have to be having minimum 1,000 soldiers. The security force that they give Obaseki, may I go collect the security weapon for him. Make them buy weapon, give them. Make train una. Make una go train, chase them out from the bush. Una get man say that they on the bush, and leave them in the day bush. What do they do for the bush? Obaseki don't say the day bush. He dey palace there. He dey government house there. They enjoy. May I go block Obaseki, block all the House of Assembly, the senators when I elect. May not block them. If they're not restoring, may not burn their house down. That's the people they do so. See what people they do their people because they are people they work with Buhari. If you don't like me, not here. If you don't like me, not here.